Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2015 Toyota Corolla and we're going to be changing the spark plugs. I'm going to show you how easy that is. The only tool you need is a spark plug socket and probably a 6-inch extension for a 3/8 inch ratchet. And I'll have a link in the description below to those items as well as the spark plugs. As you can tell, my hands are a little bit dirty already, and that's because I just did an oil change on this vehicle, which you can see a video I can put it in the description, and I'm also going to put it up on the screen. So if you need to know how to change your oil in the same vehicle, you can watch that video. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this engine cover, and it just pops up. Alright, so your spark plugs are going to be located right here on top after you've got this cover off. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all you need to do, there's a 10mm bolt. I'm going to have to remove this clip just so I can get to this first bolt. It might help to have a small pick set. It's a little bit rough getting up over that tab right there. Maybe this one will be easier. So I'm going to continue using the pick. Alright, so we got all those disconnected. We're just going to loosen these 10mm bolts. This is a 14mm. Interesting. So now I'm going to get to this using the proper size socket. So as you can tell, this is not a spark plug socket. I'm going to get the spark plug loose and then I'll reach in with a grabber to pull it out. I'll show you that here in just a second. And this does seem to be a difficult angle. So I've got a 3-inch extension here. Drop that down in a little bit. Put a 1-inch on there. It's still a little too short. I've got another 1-inch. What's going on in there? And I should be able to grab that with my ratchet. All right. Now we're going to make sure everything's plugged in. Okay, now we can put the engine cover back on. Alright, so we're done with the spark plugs on this 2015 Toyota Corolla. If you found this to be useful, go ahead and give it a like and maybe make a comment. Let me know what you thought, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thank you.